Hey y'all, so it's been quite a while again. Y'all know my struggles with posting consistently on YouTube. I was doing good there for a while, and then I got behind, and then TBT got overwhelming, and I had a lot of stuff that I was working on there, and YouTube just sadly got pushed to the back burner. Of all the things I do, my blog, my 3 Instagrams, my TBT store, creating teacher resources, of all of that and YouTube, the thing that is the most time consuming is by far YouTube, when you talk about filming and then editing and then uploading and then formatting the thumbnail and getting all of that. Just all of that is just very time consuming. So I can only do that when I've got a good handle on everything else, and rarely is that the case. So sadly I just got behind and never caught up. I think it's been a month since I last posted. I have filmed a couple of sections here and there. I've not put any of it together. I've not even uploaded it to the computer. I have filmed an office tour. I'm hoping that it's good footage. I've not looked at it yet, but I'm hoping that it's good enough to put into a video. So I'm starting to sit down and work on that. I'm here in my little library. I think you saw this space in a Vlogmas video. I think I was up here during a Vlogmas episode. I call it my little library. I have little bookshelves that I got a local cabinet maker to make, and then I just have like a little comfy reading. It's actually a twin bed and box springs, and I just put it on the ground because it fits in perfectly with, I don't know if you can tell, there's like this little cutout, the stairs are underneath there, and it fits in perfectly the wall and there, and it just makes the coziest little reading area too. So anyways, I have moved a desk up here so that I can kind of use this as a library, a reading space, but also to edit videos on. So I'm hoping that having a space now will, if I can get y'all set back, will help me be able to devote time and be able to factor it in with everything that I've got going on. Granted, it's late July. It's the very last day in July actually, and we go back to school in 2 weeks. Man, back to school is stressful in the best of times. It's really, really stressful now with all of the COVID guidelines and all of that. So there's a good chance that I may not be posting consistently again, but I'm gonna try. So anyways, all that to say, I talked about it before, but I found a clip. It was filmed in late January. My office doesn't like this anymore, and when I do my office tour you'll see the difference, but it looks completely different in this clip. But for some reason I edited this clip, set it to music, did everything except actually upload it, and I hate, because editing is so time consuming, I hate to just lose that footage and lose all those edits. So I'm going to do like a throwback video right here, and that will help me get a video out there but have time to edit and play a little catch up, I guess. Plus there's something oddly satisfying, y'all might not think so, but there's something oddly satisfying about watching a space being cleaned and you not actually having to clean it. If you watch YouTube cleaning videos, which I love to watch cleaning videos on YouTube, I just love to watch somebody clean up a space, especially if it's sped up footage and you can see how messy this space was and then how, you know, organized it is at the end. That's just so satisfying. So I thought I would do like a little throwback video. If it's not your thing, if you're not interested in this, by all means you can click off and check back for my office tour, which will hopefully be up soon. But in the meantime, I just thought I would share this little video with y'all until I can catch back up. So if you are interested and you want to stick around, then I will just insert the footage here and then check back in with you after y'all watch that. So here is some old office footage where I am cleaning and straightening up. So it's kind of like a little office clean with me. I'm about to clean this messy office because I just cannot do anything. I don't know if y'all can see I've got like anchor charts right here that I've just been working on. Over here there's anchor charts. This, I mean, full disclosure, look at all of this. It is awful, y'all. So I'm gonna try and straighten up everything and get all of this squared away. A lot of it is stuff for my Valentine's Day tree, which I'm gonna try and go up to school tomorrow and do. I really wanna do it before the kids get there. I didn't wanna do it, like start doing it during snack when I'm already there. Although it would be a lot easier to do that, but I think it would be really neat if I did it without the kids there, and then they would be surprised when they came into school. So I have a ton of work to do, and I certainly cannot do it in this messy space. So I'm going to share some sped up footage of me cleaning the office so that I can work. Hopefully y'all will enjoy that. I know I will enjoy getting it cleaned up.
Until something better came along.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to.
Okay, so I am finished for the night. It's not like Pinterest worthy right now, or you know, ready to take a picture for Instagram, but it's much more organized and now it's a workable space. So I've got my desk cleaned off and organized according to what I'm working on. I'm preparing a Valentine's Day picture book video or blog post. I'm hoping it's a video, but y'all know my struggles right now with filming. So I've got all of these kind of pulled out and ready to talk about and share. So that's right there. And then I've got all of my working notebooks for products over here. I found this little Christmas gift, which is a Michael Scott bobblehead. So right now he's hanging right here, but he'll have to find a different spot. Right here, my working board, I didn't even touch that. It's halfway done. It needs some work, but it's halfway done and it's somewhat organized. I've got picture books that I need to carry to the classroom over here, and then my little laminating area. This whole thing is not going to stay here. Process of talking to some cabinet makers to work on some built-ins here so that I've got some storage, because right now I don't have any. Perfect example, this clearly is not working as is this whole paper sorter thing. So I've got some struggles going on, but I'm hoping to get those fixed in the next couple of months. But it looks so much better from what it was. And there's Piper, bless her heart, she wants to come in. But I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling much better than I was. So I feel like I can sit down and work in the space tomorrow. Okay, so that was all that I had filmed and edited. Again, that clip was from January. Like I said, it looks completely different now, and I'm so much happier with how it is. I ended up not getting built-ins done. I still would love to do that. That is still on my wish list. But I had the 2 Billy bookcases, which you'll see in the new office tour, and y'all have seen those in some of the vlogs, I think. But I had those in my bonus room that was upstairs. Or they were upstairs, and I hated to just not use those because those were such trouble getting shipped here. They kept breaking, and my trouble with Billy bookcases from IKEA. But I hated to just not use those because they weren't being used the way that I had intended, or in a good way. So I ended up just using those, and it helped with my storage problem. It was a lot more cost effective than getting actual custom built-ins, although I would still love to do that down the road because I hate my printer being out, and you'll see that in my office tour when I get it up. I love my printer, but it just is so big and it's just so gaudy, and I just wish I had a nice cabinet that would hide it, and then I would have, like, you know, a place to put paper and all of that, and then you would be able to have doors and close it and not be able to see it. But you know, hopefully down the road I can do that, but for right now it works how it is now. So again, you'll see that in my office tour. But hopefully you enjoyed this old throwback footage, and hopefully it gives me a little bit of time to play catch up. Right now, in the midst of everything going on, I would have picked the busiest time to try and get back into YouTube. But we'll cross our fingers and hope for the best. So I will talk to you guys later on. Hopefully not in 3 or 4 months. Bye.